Are you looking to get more organized in your work or personal life and you need a reliable label maker? This label maker actually has custom emojis. It can do barcodes. You can use the keyboard on the actual device, or you can use a phone app to go ahead and type it out on your phone and then send it over. But this is from Rongta, and this is one of the best label makers that I have personally ever used. You can charge it up via USB-C, the cable that comes with it, so it's rechargeable, or you can put in these 6 AAA batteries that are not included, but you can have a backup power source so that when you're on the go, you basically can print your labels no matter what, and no matter where you're at, you're gonna have 2 power sources there. So let's go ahead and put the batteries in, power this on, and I wanna show you everything you can create with this, because I do think that if you're someone that wants to get more organized, if you're someone that is wanting to start labeling things, then this device is going to be a great option for you. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so this did not come with these 6 AAA batteries. I put those in, but basically it does come with the actual label cartridge that you need to put in here. And the way to orient this is to just make sure that the label is going to be pointing up, and if you put it in just like this, it should click into place. And basically then we can just put the back of the actual device, and you may need to make sure that you do the bottom hinges first down at the very bottom, and then you push in from there, and it should fit nice and snug. So now you can see that we are powered on. Now we can go ahead and type something out on the keyboard directly, or we could do a message on our phone and print it out that way. But for example, if I were to type snacks, the keyboard is super responsive, very easy to use. I can just type out snacks. I can hit the space bar. There's a space bar down at the bottom. There's even a caps key to set it to capital or not capital. And then a shift key right here as well, obviously. Now the emoji key, this is really fun. You've got so many different options here. Fun, do it yourself, festival, animals, vehicles, weather, garden, makeup. I'm going to be using the garden one quite a bit. So many fun options here. School, electric. There's kitchen, and then there's also food. Let's go with food, and I can hit OK, and then that will let me go to the next menu. There's all kinds of things in here. Apples, pears. I see cake, ice cream, milk, bacon, eggs, toast. I love the creative freedom that we have with this. So for snacks, I think I'm going to put this donut here. I'm going to hit OK. And then now I have snacks with a donut emoji. Now, again, you can do things like QR codes, barcodes, and things like that as well. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like with a test print. I'm just going to hit the green print button over here, and 1 copy will be good. And then now it is printing out in real time. It does come with a handy clipper up here as well. It's like a little pair of scissors up at the top that automatically clips this off for you. And now we have a label that says snacks. And this is a peel and stick label. So basically, you're going to find the end, and it can be kind of tricky to get the end off. It's actually in the center on the back. So if you fold it kind of in half and you're looking at the back of the center, you'll see that it actually goes through the center of this. So you can almost do like half of it at first. You can remove half of the backing, stick it onto something, and then you could remove the other half if you wanted to. But you can see here it comes off in 2 pieces. And now we have our snacks label, and you can put this on whatever you want to. I will say that the actual label itself feels very durable and waterproof. Like, I don't feel like this is going to wear off anytime soon. So the stickiness here definitely stuck to the box now. It's going to be harder to get it off, but if you try to pry it off, you will have the ability to basically pull it off and not leave any residue. Yeah, I love the durability of this label and how over time this one is going to hold up a lot better than probably many others. It's got like almost a laminated texture on top of it to help repel moisture and water and stuff like that. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. You know, you could go into the full settings and all the menu here with this, but it would take us literally hours to go through everything that you can do with this. And the actual app that allows you to create stuff and then print it Bluetooth is really nice as well. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And if you're looking for a good portable label maker to get organized, this one from Rongta I've really enjoyed.